Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will discuss the October-November paper 2019 P11, and the first MCQ is first multiple choice question is which task would be carried out by a bookkeeper. बुककीपर कौन सा टास्क परफॉर्म करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. The option D is correct, recording financial transaction, because bookkeeping is to record the financial transaction, and the bookkeeper task is to perform to record the financial transaction. And the number second is why does the owner of the business calculate profit? To find the return on capital. And the third number is a trader provide the following information: trade payables, trade receivables, bank loan, commission receivable accrued, rent receivable prepaid, and wages accrued. What was the total of the liabilities? These are four options and D option is correct. How? Because trade payable is a liability, 2990, plus bank, because this is credit 230, plus bank loan, this is also a liability. And next liability is rent receivable prepaid, because we have received already in advance rent, that is a liability and it will be entertained in the next particular period. And wages accrued, wages are still accrued, the expense of wages has occurred but not yet paid. These all liabilities are equal to 8800, and the D option is correct. A trader purchased a motor vehicle for his business using a check from his personal bank account. How was this recorded in the books of business? What will be debit and what will be credited? And D option is correct, motor vehicle to capital, because he has paid from his personal bank account, and this will be considered as capital. And motor vehicle is a asset for the business, it will be a fixed asset. When asset will increase it will be debited, and when a capital will be increased it will be credited. And fifth number is which document will a customer issue to inform a supplier of an overcharge? सप्लायर कस्टमर को ओवरचार्ज कर चुका है, अब कस्टमर उसको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता है. द कस्टमर विल issue a debit note to the supplier. He will inform to supplier with a note that will be called debit note. When customer will issue a note to his supplier, this will be called debit note. And when supplier will issue a note, that will be called credit note. Which book of prime original entry is used to record discount received? In cash book. And a trader is preparing to draw up a bank reconciliation statement. How should the bank interest received to be treated? There are four options and B option is correct, entered on the debit side of the cash book, because interest received will be debited in cash book, because this is a receipt and receipts are recorded on the left side, means debit side of the cash book.